In this lesson, you learn that there is more than one way to create the perfect circle. Just like with other sketch geometry, you create your circles inside the contextual sketch environment in Autodesk Fusion. The center diameter circle, keyboard shortcut C, is your best choice when you know the size and location for your circle. The 2-point circle is useful when you want to create the diameter of the circle by placing 2 points. The 3-point circle is useful when you want to create a circle by placing 3 points on the circumference. The 2-tangent circle creates a circle tangent to 2 lines, and the 3-tangent circle creates a circle tangent to 3 lines. I personally find those commands useful when I want to integrate a circle with other sketch geometry, here exemplified with the trim tool. You can change the circle type in the sketch palette, and just like we saw earlier, Autodesk Fusion will help you and provide guiding lines and sometimes even automatic constraints.